Guys, welcome back to K-Pop and Curls. Today we are going to be looking at shade, colors, and coils, smoothie, shampoo, and conditioning cream today. We are splitting our hair into two and then using the shampoo. Shampoo retails for $16 and it's infused with jojoba oil, coconut oil, and avocado oil. Shampoo was making my curls pop a lot, and it was actually very easy to detangle with this shampoo. It's not stripping at all. So now I'm going to just go ahead and work on the other side. Hydrating conditioning cream retails for $16. It softens hair, it improves moisture retention, and improves elasticity. Although it says that it can be used as a rinse out conditioner, I used it as a deep conditioner and just applied it to my wet hair and finger detangled with the product. This conditioner was actually not stripping at all. I felt conditioners that were very bad at doing its job, which is conditioning. It felt very hard on my hair, but this actually did what it was supposed to do. As you all know, I love the greenhouse method, so I just put a plastic bag over my hair and wrapped it up with my scarf and went on to sleep with it. So now it is the next day and we are going to go ahead and start teasing our hair to get that big poof we want. We are going to be using the moisturizing smoothie to aid in helping us get that big, full, voluptuous hair we want. I'm just putting the smoothie all over like my edges area and the crown of my head to really smooth it down. I'm going to be taking my trusty, what is this called? A shoe tie? Shoelace. And yes, I have a lot of gray hair, you guys, but that is life. So now I am just tying it and I will show you guys what the back looks like. So just make sure the back of your hair is nice and smooth and all of it is going up into where the hair tie is. All your hair should be bunched up at the top. So now we're going to go ahead and do our edges. I use Hicks Edge Control and dang, those edges are popping. And here is the final results. My poof is on point. I absolutely love this style. Shades, color, and coils for sending me your product line. If you guys enjoyed this video, I'll see you next time.